guys, welcome back to my channel. Ashley here. So today I wanted to do a little haul for you guys. Oh, I also wanted to mention about my crystal. So this is a bloodstone crystal, and it is a good stone for cleaning the blood, and it's also a healer. It has the ability to remove evil and negativity. It heightens intuition and creativity. It relieves anxiety, lots of things. You can read up on it if you're ever interested. But I definitely got this crystal from my girl, Dana. We used to work together. Her brand is called Nazinga Arts, and she makes a bomb body butter, y'all. Like, I mean, your skin will feel like silk. So I suggest you get that. But yes, aside from that, I have a makeup haul. I put everything in my MAC bag, but I did get two things from MAC. So we can start with that first. So these are some items that I got kind of like over the summer up to now. Not that many things, but you know, I just accumulated a few things over some time. So from MAC, I got Baby Lipglass. It's like a hot chocolate color with some shimmer. I don't know if you can see it because you know it's chocolate, so it blends into chocolate. So this is it. And I also got Flat Out Fabulous. Now this is a retro matte lipstick. I actually wanted a new bright. I feel like I haven't worn a bright colored lipstick in forever. Like, I've gotten into this nude phase and I just haven't broken out of it. So this is what Flat Out Fabulous looks like. And I will swatch it right next to Oh Baby. That's what that looks like. Let's see whatever lippies I have left. I also got Too Faced Melted in the color Velvet. It's a nice red. It's supposed to last really long, and you guys know I love me a good matte red lip. So this is it. One thing I want to say, I got this and also this Buxom lip gloss from Tjmaxx. Now, yes, I know it's scary buying a lipstick at Tjmaxx, but I carefully inspected it to make sure that it wasn't opened. But they have like the cheapest makeup. I have like a $28 bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills that I got for $10. Like, I will continue to shop at Tjmaxx. So Buxom has plumping capabilities in their lip products, which is, yes, I know I have luscious lips already, but a little plumping never hurt nobody. So this color is, it's Vava Plump Getting Warmer, and it's right here. I actually used this on top of a lipstick. It was bomb. Along with lips, I will say I had to get a lip mask because, you know, my lips, they just go through this phase where they peel every time, and it's terrible. They look crazy some days. So I believe you pronounce it Laniege. Don't quote me. But it's a $20 sleeping clear lip mask. So I put this on at night. When I tell you this is so weird, like, I was surprised it was $20. That's number one. I thought it should be more, but you know, don't raise the prices. I'm just saying. But I just mean that it's so worth it. So this is what it looks like. The consistency is super smooth. And it smells like berry. It feels so good. Like, especially if you put it on and go into the shower, it like the steam, and then your lips plump, and it's bomb. I ended up making my friend buy like a whole kit. It had this and like 2 other mini ones. It's so worth the money. I feel like I wear it at night, I sleep in it, I take it off, and then I'm able to put on whatever lipstick I want the next day, and I don't have to worry about my lips peeling or anything like that. But you have to use it consistently, that much I will say. So along with that, it comes with like a mini spatula inside this little envelope. So you use this to dip the product out and put it on your lips. That way, you know, you're not digging your fingers in there and it's the dirt from your hands is in the product. Anything you buy from Laniege, it always comes like with a spatula or some tool to scoop the product out, which I feel like is a great thing. So that is definitely worth the money. Let's see, for brows, I got the new Fenty Beauty Brow MVP, And as much as I love Fenty, y'all, I don't like it. You know, I bought it and now I went back to buy the Benefit Precisely My Brow in number 5. So, you know what though? I think I can still return this because I really don't like it. It doesn't, like, the Precisely My Brow has like that defined point where I can carve out my brow wherever like I'm missing hair, and this, it's too soft. I need it to be a little bit more stiff, more hard as being the product, because I feel like once I draw it on, by the time I sweep powder over it, it's gone, and then I have to go back in with it. So this I definitely did not love. I got the color Black Brown, and just so I could show you what the color looks like. Actually, yeah, I think I'm gonna take this back because that's $20 extra and I can get something else. I really don't return, but I just don't feel like this is gonna do anything. And I really don't want to put in my kit either, because I use the Precisely My Brow in my kit for clients. So this is it right here. It's a little smooth, but it's not my favorite. My girl hooked me up with some gratis. Thanks, Bean. She gave me some Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Gel. I haven't opened it yet. Soon come. So this is what it looks like. It's like a crystal iridescent kind of color. And I also got the Dior Backstage Face and Body Primer. It's clear. The consistency is really nice. I wore it underneath my makeup and it felt good. So this is what it looks like, and just, so this is how it leaves your skin feeling. It makes it feel like nice and smooth. So I kind of like layered my primers, only because I'm kind of like trying to test out what works and what doesn't work because my skin is so funny. But oh, she also gave me the Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation by Beauty Blender. This actually felt really nice. I liked how it went on. It blended out very nicely, and all I wore with it was like some mascara and some lip gloss. So I kind of wanted to test out how it was, but I actually really like it. I know Erica La Pearl, Cardi B's makeup artist, she uses that a lot on Cardi B. And I heard some good things about it, so I was like, okay, let me try it. So it's cool. I like it for now. I kind of want to test it out a little bit more and see, you know, long wear wise and, you know, with different primers, how it works. So that was a good one. Got the Maybelline Eye Studio in Blackest Black. I really liked this. It's super black. It's a bomb eyeliner. I think I only paid like $7 for it. So, bargain. I do like that. The thing with me, I don't really like wing liner, so I occasionally do it, but my Fenty one died, so I was like, okay, I need something. And I didn't feel like spending like $30 for a liner, so I was like, let me just get this since I like cream anyway, and it's good to do like a black smoky eye. And it was like well worth the coin. And also, my friend gave me this NARS eye paint. It's like a purple. When your nails are long and you can't get in. So this will be good for like a purple smoky eye. That'll be bomb for that, to layer it or just by itself. So I can't wait to use that. Let's get into this Makeup Forever powder, y'all. Listen. Makeup Forever, come on, this is so bomb. It's the Matte Velvet Skin in Y535 is my shade, and this is what it looks like. Comes with the mirror on this side and the sponge. So the sponge has like the little felt, and it's like a microfiber, and then you can just like blend it. It's bomb. I really like it. I saw somebody use it and I was like, oh, I follow this girl Dre on Instagram, and she was using it, and I was actually looking at it before I saw her use it, and then she said it was bomb. So I was like, you know what, let me test it out, and it really is bomb. Well worth the coins. This is another pickup. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Mahogany. This is what I got for $10 at Tjmaxx, honey. untouched. $10. And I'm wearing it as my contour, my bronzer shade today. I really like it. It's comparable to my CoverGirl Ebony Bronze, except Ebony Bronze is a little bit deeper and more red. I also got the Too Faced Better Than Love mascara from Tjmaxx as well. It kind of has the same brush as Better Than Sex, if you're familiar with that mascara. I'm wearing it right now. I really like this as a mascara. It's cool. It hugs my lashes. I also drag it up so it could smoke out my lash line so I don't have to use liner, and it does the job. And lastly, I got this Stila liquid eyeshadow. Now, I love me some Stila for lip products. They're bomb for lip products. They make my favorite red, which is Fiery. And this is an eyeshadow. Like, this looked bomb on top of Wigglies from my Jackie Aina palette. Like, it has reflex of pink, purple, and green in there. Whichever way you turn it, it's so pretty. But yeah, so this is pretty much my summer fall haul. These are all the products that I picked up recently and some stuff that I've had that I haven't been able to show you guys. So everything here was pretty much worth it except for the Fenty brow. I'm sorry. I love me some Fenty, but this ain't it. Maybe it's just me, but I don't really like it. So I think I'm definitely returning that. But overall, I'm happy with the things that I have. So if you guys pick up any of these products, don't forget to let me know. And I will list all the products that I showed you guys today in the description box. So if you're wondering what it is, it's going to be located right there. So as usual, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.